Good afternoon, YouTube. John at J&J here with the test video for LJPN385, a very clean 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT. Car has the elusive 5-speed manual transmission that was a highly sought-after option back in the day. I personally love these cars and wanted to save this one, but I'm married and my wife said no. That's how that happened. A lot of good parts left on this unit. The front bumper is in very good condition for the year. Both the headlight motors worked. We're going to test those out here in just a second. The paint has a little bit of this kind of checking overall. It's not clear coat failure. It's like a heavy oxidation, but any part you guys get off of this, there you go, the light's picking it up. It's going to need a very heavy buffing or a respray if your car is of a kind of like a show quality. This is what I would call driver paint. Nice set of OEM staggered wheels that the previous owner accidentally put the fronts on the rear and the rear on the front. Show that off here. If the front wheels are poking, guys, you did something wrong. We're going to have this full GT rear hatch set up for sale if you guys wanted to convert a 2M4 or an SE. Rear bumper. Taillights are being sold as a pair. They do have some issues, like all of them do. I guess you would call it delamination or separating, but it's got some of it. And it's got a lot of it. Let's call it what it is. But no cracks. I'm feeling the face of these real fast. These are all internal. There's no issues that would cause a water leak. The big old 80s GT wing is going to be for sale as well. The plastic quarter windows are broken, so keep that in mind when you're purchasing the rear hatch conversion. Moving along, let's check out the inside of this car because there's a lot of good parts left on this unit. The driver's door panel is in good condition. Both the late model Fiero GT seats are in good condition despite having 151,000 miles on them. Driver's seat's a little bit worn here, but with a new foam should be good as new. Headliner obviously not for sale. Let's step inside here, see if we can't fire this thing up. Starts right up. I'm gonna let it idle for a second while I get my butt inside here. Whew, man, it is loud in here. Let's go ahead and test the power window regulators. Man, that's slow. That side works. Let's go with the wow. Okay, well, yeah, that is really, really slow. Obviously, the motor's making good oil pressure. It revs well. No misfires or anything. I'm going to test the transmission very briefly, but we are going to have to be careful with this brakes. All right. Yeah, she has absolutely nothing. Let me see if I can get reverse here. Woo! Ah, clutch too. There is not much clutch left. All right, there is reverse. It literally grabs on the floor. Let's test out those headlights I was talking about a minute ago. Oh, maybe. All right, well, I promise you the other side worked earlier. There might be something pinched on the door. The hood's not shut all the way. One last thing to test, though, is going to be the climate control assembly. Oh, wow. Did I get air conditioning? Hold on. Man, the air works. Not that it matters to you guys, but I always get a little bit excited when the air conditioning works on one of these old girls. All right, let's see if I can get out of this thing without falling. This thing was not meant for tall people. Whew. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video for LJPN385. I think I made it all the way to the 3-minute 56 mark without saying guys, so this video is going to be a great success. If you guys have a Fiero and you're looking for some parts, we're going to have everything off this car for sale on our website, www.jnjautoracing.com. You guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. If you guys end up buying a part off this car and you watched all the way to the end of this video, send me an email to john@jnjoh.com. I'll link it down here, and I'll send you guys a free t-shirt. Thanks for watching, and we're out.